Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2011 Dodge Durango Crew all-wheel drive, stock number B99358. 85,000 miles on this local trade. Bright silver metallic in color. Durango seat 7, cloth interior. Rear heat and air controls to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seat folds flat for additional cargo space and tumbles forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 2. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Trailering package. Power liftgate for convenience. 50/50 split folding rear seat. Folds flat easily, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Crew has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seat along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio also has a 30 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry it along. You can also upload through the USB connection, holds thousands of songs. Very easy to manage your music from there. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with the owner's manual inside. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and power liftgate control. Under the hood, this Durango has a 3.6 liter V6, 290 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, new brakes, and approximately 60% tire tread left. For more information on this Durango, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.